chicken. It seems nice, it seems yummy. Tell me, is it?
Yes.
It is. Sitting by the fire, smoking cigarettes, drinking wine, eating Tim Tam and marshmallows. Smoked marshmallows, not with the cigarette, with the fire.
One of the best sandwiches I ever had was a Tim Tam that was split in half, with a marshmallow simply put inside and eaten in one gulp. Tim Tam!
Tim Tam!
Tim Tams.
Why are you so glorious? Marshmallow! Marshmallow! Why are you so glorious? Oh, Tim Tam marshmallow cooked combo. I love you so. Licks fingers in brackets.
That was good.